Indian Constitution Part 2. Which schedule describes scheduled areas and scheduled tribes? 6th, 4th, 5th, 9th. The right answer is 5th. Which article describes the President of India as the head of executive branch? Article 53, Article 60, Article 74, Article 63. The right answer is Article 53. How many schedules were there when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950? 8 schedules, 7 schedules, 6 schedules, 9 schedules. The right answer is 8 schedules. Which article describes the Prime Minister of India as the head of the Council of Ministers? Article 72, Article 73, Article 74, Article 75. The right answer is Article 74. Which article permits the President of India to dismiss a state government and assume direct authority? Article 365, Article 356, Article 346, Article 376. The right answer is Article 356. When was Jammu and Kashmir declared as Union Territory? 31 September 2019, 31 October 2019, 31 November 2019, 31 October 2018. The right answer is 31 October 2019. From which country was the judicial review adopted by the Constitution of India? Australia, United States, Japan, Canada. The right answer is United States. When did the Constitution of Pakistan become effective? 19 April 1973, 20 October 1972, 14 August 1973, 15 August 1973. The right answer is 14 August 1973. When did the right to education came into effect? 1 April 2010, 1 April 2012, 1 April 2016, 1 April 2014. The right answer is 1 April 2010. Which house is known as the House of the People? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, High Court, Judiciary Court. The right answer is Lok Sabha. How many countries' constitution was studied by B.R. Ambedkar before making the Indian Constitution? 100 countries, 60 countries, 10 countries, 7 countries. The right answer is 60 countries. Which resolution became the preamble of the Constitution? Legislative Resolution, Kashi Federal Resolution, Objective Resolution, Emergency Resolution. The right answer is Objective Resolution. Which article gave special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Article 373, Article 366, Article 365, Article 370. The right answer is Article 370. Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under whose administrative control? Sri Lankan, Saudi Arabian, Portuguese, Nepalese. The right answer is Portuguese. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? M. Patanjali Shastri, H. J. Kania, Bijan Kumar Mukhreja, Meher Chand Mahajan. The right answer is H.J. Kania. When was the Indian Independence Act passed by the British? 5 July 1944, 5 July 1945, 5 July 1946, 5 July 1947. The right answer is 5 July 1947. Which act granted statehood to Arunachal Pradesh? Constitution Act 1981, Constitution Act 1987, Government of India Act 1981, Government of India Act 1987. The right answer is Constitution Act 1987. Article 17 is related to right to education, SC and ST, abolition of untouchabilities, right to good health. The right answer is abolition of untouchabilities. The 6th schedule of the Constitution of India does not provide administration for Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur. The right answer is Manipur. From which country was the idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution borrowed? Japan, United States, Australia, China. The right answer is Australia. Which right was not taken from the British Constitution in the Indian Constitution? Freedom of press, right to vote, fundamental rights, educational rights. The right answer is fundamental rights. Which article is for the protection of interests of minorities? Article 29, Article 39, Article 49, Article 59. The right answer is Article 29. Which plan had the scheme to transfer power to the Indians and partition of the country? Mountbatten Plan, Cripps Mission, Cabinet Mission Plan, Indian Division Plan. The right answer is Mountbatten Plan. Which article is related to the Right to Information Act, RTI? Article 59, Article 19, Article 29, Article 11. The right answer is Article 19. Which article is related to the equality before law? Article 94, Article 24, Article 14, Article 19. The right answer is Article 14. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.